37 bar, the note 1 and 2 and silence, and the second note, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 7th fret of twisting, 5th fret of twisting, 2 quarter note and 1 black note, and the 38th bar is 7th fret of twisting, the 8th fret of twisting. The next note is your attention in tab, and 1, 2, 3, 4 note in the 38 bar is F sharp. The next note is E, and the 39 bar E, hammer on the F sharp with the E and the F sharp. You play main. 41 bar E, white note 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D, and then 42 bar D and F sharp 1 and 7th fret of third and twisting with the third and fourth finger. And the next one is E, and this 5th fret of twisting. Next one is D, and next one is E, next one is D, 33 bar, 1, 2, 3. Third note is on the 43 bar, E, D, E, D, E. Next is 44 bar is B, and the 4th fret of third string. Next one is D, and the 7th fret of third string with the 4th finger. One and 2 and 3 and 4, 9 fret of third string. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe me. Set the bell on all option for enable notification of new posts. Thank you so much. Next, in the 46 bar is D, 2 quarter note with the 2 finger. 2 and 3 and 4 and the next note is D on the 7th fret of 47 bar. Repeat. And the 48 bar and 2 note in the D. 7th fret of third string with the 2 finger. Next one is the 9th fret of third string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 49 bar. You play E note on the 9th fret of third string, black note, and the 2/4 note. Hammer on, pull off 9 to 11 fret of third string, hammer on, pull off with the 9th fret of third string, 2/4 note. The next note is in the 11th fret. Uh, 52 bar in the 9th fret, E, 12 frets on third string, pull off 12 in the 11. Very fast you can repeat. And the 69 bar is new. G in the black, and the second note, 1 and 2 and silence, white note, black note, 1, 2/4 note, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 17 bar, 1 and 2 and silence, 1/4 note, 1 and 2 and 3 silence, and the 3 note is A in the 5th fret of 1 string, 2 in the 3rd fret of 1 string, pull off 3rd with the 2, 2nd fret of 2 string, 71 bar, 72 bar, pull off G with the F sharp, 73 bar, G, F sharp to F sharp, okay, California main them, 74 bar, G, F sharp, G black, 2/4 note, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and hammer on, pull off, F sharp with E, F sharp, E, 75 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and next page. Okay, last page. You can find the full version of the PDF tab on the my Telegram channel. You can join that and download. 76 bar is the notice, and with the P finger, D, E and F sharp, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and with the 4 string, open 2nd fret and 4th fret, 5th fret, G of 4 string, 1 white note, 77 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and white, black, 2/4, yes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and glissando, 5th fret of 4th string, the 7th fret of 4th string, G with the A, 2 finger G, playing G, G on the 4th string, or 4 finger. Pull off G with F sharp, pull off F sharp with E, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, pull off with E, 81 bar, black 2/4 note and quarter, one black 2/4, 82 bar, F sharp, E, E, pull off G with F sharp in the 4th string, 5th fret of 4th string, G, black note, 87 bar, and 2 note play with the P finger, F sharp, 2/4 note. 76 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Uh, 84 and 85 bar is silence. Okay, if you have any question about this lesson, just tell me. You attention PDF and the full version of video and full version of track of Gipsy King and this tutorial video.